Hello guys, today I'm gonna fix this TV. This TV have a problem of sound. Although I increase the TV volume and decrease, it didn't have sound. You can look, nothing is there. I'm gonna check what's the problem is there. It's a Polaroid TV and its model number is P40 LCD12. I just removed the back of the TV. And this is the power supply board, this is the main board, and this one is inverter board. And although we have a power supply, it means the power supply board is okay. I think we need to replace the main board because we didn't have a sound. So let's order the main board and let's check whether it's work or not. This is my new board I just got today, and while ordering the board, we need to look its model number. I mean its board number should be exact same. This is my new board and this one is a old board, and you can see here this is the old board, this one is new. You can see its part numbers look is 17MB65S3, and you can see down as well 03 is a 151 1 2 3 4 5. It should be same. And don't forget to look its pin as well. The pin should be exact same, otherwise it will be very hard to put fit on the back cover. So please check properly. But first thing is we need to look its board number. So I'm gonna put on the TV now, and let's see it's work or not. Let's switch on the TV. Look at the light. Yeah, we can hear the sound. It means we have a faulty power board, and we just replace it and we fix the TV. You can also fix your TV on your home. If there is no sound, then you can replace the main board and you can fix your TV. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching this.